Today I'm up at Murray Street, just off of Northern Boulevard. I think this is called the Murray Hill part of Queens, not to be confused with the better known Murray Hill in Manhattan. Saw a few yellow mats on my way up here, but this is the first phone. Oh wow, it has dial tone. That's impressive. See what the number shows. Somebody left some pennies and I guess that's a battery. Six 462653759. Somewhat unusual for a 646 area code. Oh, this glass is missing. I don't think I've ever been up here. If I have been, it made no impression on me, and I can kind of see why. It's just a pretty low-key area. So we do have dial tone. We have some sign of life, but how much longer, nobody really knows. Yeah, this used to be a payphone here. 162-20 Northern Boulevard. Somewhat unusual spot for one on a pole, but it's all good. Yeah, that's Northern Boulevard at Station Road. It's pretty much a payphone desert up here. Northern Boulevard. From Flushing on up. Did find one back at Murray Street. And one abandoned pedestal. But here's another one. There's a lottery ad on the side. Phone looks like it's in good shape. And even though some of the covering here is removed, it looks like this one might still be functional. Might still have all its parts, but nothing doing. No dial tone, but I did hear a slight electronic crackling noise. COVID-19 2020 war is coming. I think the war's already here. Although that's graffiti is probably from last year. I think the Civil War is underway. It's kind of stupid of me to be stepping out onto Northern Boulevard. Must document, right? Actually, I'm going to see if I can get